Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another vlog. This one should be a really good one. I finally have so many house updates. Our garage is done. We are moving our master bedroom, so I should have the whole transformation. They just started today in our mud room slash laundry room, so I'm going to show you the before. And we're also going to go shopping for flooring and cabinets and all that. So before I do any of that, I just wanted to say a huge thank you to y'all for all your sweet, encouraging comments. In the last vlog I posted, I shared, I think in a pinned comment of mine, that it's been a really chaotic, tough month to say the least. This is not how I expected 2022 to go, but while I don't feel ready to kind of share what's been going on, like get into it, I just wanted to say thank you, because reading all y'all's comments and chatting with y'all on Instagram really like made me so much happier and feel like I wasn't alone. So I just love y'all so much, and I cannot say thank you enough. Like, I don't think y'all understand the impact that y'all have in my life. So without getting too sappy, thank you for being here, for watching, for leaving comments. I just really appreciate y'all. Olivia's here looking like a little boy. Who is mommy talking to? Is your mom crazy? Slightly. Anyway, I am wearing this Lululemon dupe that I'm obsessed with, but I have the wrong sports bra underneath. The dogs are going crazy because our contractor is still here, but I wanted to show y'all everything. So let's go downstairs. My husband is going to Target to pick up some stuff because I am redoing our bedding. I want to get everything nice and like aesthetically pleasing. Let's get into it. Okay, this is quite literally the worst lighting, but this is the only time when they're not here so I can show y'all. So the laundry room on the inside, I'll show you in a second, but this is how far it's getting extended. And then my main concern with that door is that anyone could come in at any time. I'll show you guys what it looked like before, but basically now it's just going to be a regular door. So they're actually doing this fairly quickly. It's not super complicated. We're just adding new flooring and we're moving some cabinets around and adding a few more things, like a utility sink and a bunch of stuff. If you follow me on Instagram, you've been seeing this, so I won't like get too much into it, but let me show you the laundry room. So here's our laundry room. We try to clear everything out, so our house is truly a mess right now, but this should only stay like this for a few days. If you hear Olivia, she's playing and her new thing is screeching, so she's fine. Anyway, it's right by the kitchen and right by our little breakfast nook area. And it's also like our main back entrance, so we never use it because it is very small. We usually have like stuff all over here, stuff all over here, so it didn't really work too well. Also, there's a ton of storage, but the cabinets are so high up and I'm so short that I can never reach them. I also hate this flooring for both our bathroom and the laundry room have it, and this flooded one time and it was just a mess. So we're, instead of doing vinyl flooring, we're doing tile. These cabinets are actually super old. They just painted over them, so these are getting removed. He's gonna try to save them, but he thinks like it probably won't, you know, work. So those are getting removed. The door is getting moved, so this is going to be much more open. We're adding a tree haul that I'll show you once it gets here. And then, like I said, these will probably not survive. So I always disliked that you could see the water source. So he's moving that, hiding it, and we're also adding, like I said, a sink, a utility sink here. We'll decide that tomorrow once we actually look into it, but either a big utility sink or a doggy bath, we'll see. Okay, so here's the before of the room. I definitely cleaned so it wouldn't look so disgusting because there was like stuff everywhere, but obviously it was pointless because tomorrow we need to bring everything down. Here is our bed. It's from Living Spaces. I'll do a room tour once everything is set up. Got this little Sherpa bench from Amazon, and I guess I never showed y'all our new dresser, but this is also Living Spaces. As y'all can see, I mean, first of all, we have a California King, so it is very cramped. Obviously, the bench makes it even more cramped, but I got this recently because we were switching bedrooms. The uneven mirrors that are terrible. And very big nightstand, so a lot of our furniture was very oversized, so obviously it just makes the room look even smaller. Once again, I was thinking of the future when I got everything. And then we have that crib that it's just a foldable crib right now, but we are taking a different one. We are not taking this TV. My husband was watching a show and I had to kick him out so I can film this. We are not taking this TV. This is actually going to be the new guest bedroom. I don't know if I told you all that already. Just made more sense because it has its own bathroom. And then obviously we're taking the dresser, but that is the before. Obviously we have this really ugly carpet that I've been dying to get rid of, and we are not gonna have carpet anymore. I do want a rug, and I've been eyeing a few different ones off Amazon, but I'm not in a rush for that. And yeah, I will chat with y'all once we are in the new bedroom. Okay y'all, here it is all finished and empty. I'm gonna clean it. I'm gonna run first the robot vacuum with the mop attachment just so it gets rid of some of the dirt, and then I'm actually going to mop it and re-vacuum with the shark vacuum just to make sure it's clean, and then we're gonna start putting in the furniture. I'm so excited. So our biggest debate was where to put the bed, and it's actually gonna go against this wall. I know a lot of people would say just put it here, but as you can see, there's no outlets on that wall, so I had to go here. We'll switch things around if it doesn't look good. I did like a little preview on my iPad and it looked good, so let me start cleaning. Okay guys, it's the next day. We are heading to Ikea bright and early. Not that early, it's like 10 in the morning. And we're like all bundled up because it's super cold here. Okay, has Ikea always had this super annoying like announcements going on? I don't know. But also it got weirdly expensive. I want to get something like this for the dining room instead of a buffet, but I'm starting to think it might be a waste of money right now, so I don't think I'm going to. Also, we stopped at Common Lawn and got a lavender latte. They are so good. I don't know what it took me so long to get them, but that announcement is driving me nuts. We're just looking right now because I wanted to get something kind of like this instead of the buffet, just to add some height to our dining room, but I don't know. I'm not in love with anything right now. I'm just looking. I love this, especially because we're adding so much like natural like cane and hand woven stuff to our house, but I don't know if this would look good on my existing bookcases, so we'll see. Because I could always paint this and leave this part. They're only 40 bucks for the two doors, so we'll see if I find them, because I love how it looks against all this pink. We'll see. Okay, this is the coolest thing I've ever seen. It's a dishwasher and it looks like a drawer cabinet, and I love it. I also think I'm using the word cabinet wrong in this situation, so please correct me, but I want this so freaking badly. This is so pretty. Definitely for the kitchen remodel. Okay, so we ended up getting a cabinet, well, a few like cabinet drawers at Ikea for the laundry room, and then we got the high chair for Olivia because I asked on Instagram and literally everyone swears by the Ikea one and it's 20 bucks. What is this? Anyway, we couldn't really find much, just like from what we wanted at Ikea, but now we are at Floor and Decor. I used to think it was Deco, to look at some backsplash, some, okay, not the ones that give me a heart attack, backsplash, maybe countertops, and definitely the tile flooring. So we're gonna look real quick. I have quite a busy day today, but I'll show you all around because we have no idea what we want. Okay, so we've decided against the utility sink for the laundry room, but for our bathroom downstairs, this one would be so nice. I love the color. So we're looking at a lot of things right now. I don't really like the shape of this one, but I do like a lighter tone. I'm just scared it's going to look too monotone if I just go for a lot of light tones. So this one is still neutral, but it adds a little something, especially with the different textures. Okay, anyway, let's see. So for the doggy bath, I'm thinking something like smooth, like this. I don't want anything too gray though, and this is pulling very gray and blue. I really like this one, but I'm wondering if I am going to regret that later on. This is very trendy right now. Oh god. And I'm wondering if it's gonna be a little hard to clean. So leaning for something more like this, like longer, a little bit bigger tiles. So let's see. I like this for the floor, but I'm kind of concerned about the color that I like for the cabinets not really matching with this one, because I don't want anything too light or anything too dark for the cabinets. I mean, do you think this would look good with the green that I was showing you? Definitely not good with the beige that I wanted. It's gonna look like a big beige throw up. Okay, let's keep looking. I like this one for the backsplash in the laundry room, but I don't know if white is going to be the way to go. We have subway tile like this in the kitchen, and then this one is pulling a little bit more beige. I don't know if the camera's picking it up. No gray.
It's green.
That's, oh my god, I think you're colorblind. This one is also nice because it combines both like subway tile and the texture that I want. We were also thinking about doing something like fun with the doggy bath. That one, do you like it?
The second to the top?
Yes, either that. Why are they blue?
One?
That one right there.
I don't like it.
Okay, well I don't like the one that you like because it's blue. I like the design.
I like that one.
No, I don't want blue. It doesn't match up. Why? Oh, all the colored ones are blue and I am not a fan of blue. Like for home decor purposes. Okay y'all, here is some of the progress. It is not 100% done. There's still like a ton to do. But I might just do like a room tour once we finalize everything, like the decor, the placement. But I wanted to show y'all a little kind of overview of what it looks like right now. Mostly because I need y'all's advice. As y'all can see, Olivia's big girl crib is here with us. Mostly because we haven't decided when to transition her into her own nursery, because right now the garage is technically not connected to the house. We simply don't want her to be on her own in the house and us here. So until we get everything closed and ready, she will be sleeping here with us, which is fine because honestly y'all, I'm not ready stress-wise to not have her sleep next to us. And y'all know how I kept having this struggle with my office with this chair. We decided to move it here and turn it into kind of like a reading nook inside our bedroom because this one is so big. I don't know if I'm gonna keep the vacuum here, but for the meantime, or in the meantime, definitely want to run it a few times. Then we have our dresser, obviously not styled. I'm thinking of bringing the Anthropologie mirror, the little one, the 3 feet, and putting it on top because technically our TV is going to be mounted here. I keep telling Dante it doesn't really matter and we could always mount it over here, but we'll see. Haven't decided on that. This obviously needs to be covered up, and this side of the room is like completely empty. So initially I was thinking of putting the bed on this wall. So I guess that's kind of the question I have for y'all. Do y'all like this setup or should we switch it around? So I'll take any and all advice y'all have for me. I decided to bring the living room rug because of the dogs, long story short. I think we need a bigger one. This is a 8x10 and I think we might need a 9x12. And I haven't decided if I like this color combination. I do think if I go the route of like ivory, beige, white, it's going to look too close to the bed and it's just going to look too monotone. I also got this bench from Amazon. I'm debating whether or not to keep. I do like it. I like the idea of the Sherpa adding a lot of texture, but Target, oh my God, what is that? Target just released one. I'll put it on the screen. So I did purchase that one to see which one I like the best. So the bedding is not complete because my husband got me the West Elm comforter for Christmas and I in fact ruined it. So the replacement isn't coming until February, but I got this quilt from Target. Actually, almost all of this is Target. The big pillows is Target. This one is Target. The comforter cover or duvet cover is from Amazon. And the bed is from Living Spaces. The nightstands are Living Spaces. These I got at TJ Maxx, and I don't know if I'm gonna keep them here or put them in the playroom. And yeah, work in progress, but let me know what y'all think so far. And then laundry room update. This is what it's looking like so far. So here's what it looks like on the inside. So tomorrow, today's Sunday, he doesn't work on the weekends. He is going to knock down this wall, which in turn will knock down these two big cabinets. And then he still needs to do the insulation, all that. But once this whole area is gone, it's going to look so much better. And over here, we have the door that he still obviously needs to cover and stuff, but that door used to be here. And we only had one outlet for the Wi-Fi in the entire house, and it was in the laundry room, which was extremely inconvenient. And he finally moved it to the living room, which is very exciting. Also, if you follow me on Instagram, you know I'm obsessed with this cookie company. They deliver. So if you're anywhere in the US, you should order. But my husband went and got some treats because I wasn't feeling the best yesterday. And I just want to dig in. These are really good too, but milk muffins is definitely my favorite. Oh, this looks so good. And these brownies are by, I think, Pioneer Woman or something like that. But we get everything at Railway Market. It has like a ton of different vendors, and it's so cute. So I highly recommend if you're in Houston. You know how I said at the start of this vlog that January has been very chaotic and this and that? It only got more chaotic as I was filming this vlog. So I think I'm gonna end it here. He has made a ton of progress on the laundry room since that last clip that I showed y'all, but I'm gonna start just a new vlog. We chose a tile, so hopefully the next vlog will be just like the reveal and us like putting everything together. I'm super excited. We're also moving and redoing my office. We're also seeing if we start on the kitchen. Basically, you know how I said that I didn't want to do this when I was pregnant, and I'm glad I didn't. I'm glad I didn't get into this craziness. However, is it even better to do it with like a 6-month-old baby? I don't know, but the good thing is that my parents live in this neighborhood, so if we need like the kitchen, like my mom washed Olivia's clothes yesterday because obviously we can't use her laundry room, so it's all good. But hopefully you guys are enjoying this reno content. I've been sharing a ton on Instagram, like more up-to-date updates, and also doing little polls because I really value y'all's opinion. But I feel like on YouTube I have more time obviously to explain kind of like my thought process, and y'all leave like more long form comments and all that, so I love sharing these things with y'all. I feel like y'all are my little besties. So thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you think about how the master bedroom turned out, and also just let me know what you think about how the laundry room will turn out. If you have any ideas, if you have any suggestions, let me know. Like I said, I'm not like dead set on the layout of the bedroom, so if y'all like think it would look best a different way, any like artwork, anything that you think like would make it look better, let me know. And yeah, I will talk to you guys very soon. I'm like kind of getting on the groove of vlogging every single week and actually posting them. Like I used to vlog last year a lot and never post anything. So thank you guys for being here, for watching, for 58,000 subscribers. That's crazy. And I'll talk to you guys very soon in my next one. I should have another video up tomorrow. So I'll talk to you guys then. Love y'all.